Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with RPG Hair once more. Same packaging as usual. So, have the wig. I got this little drawstring bag branded RPG, edge brush and comb, a rat tail comb, flyaway tamer, a wig cap, and I got the usual pamphlet with hair care, all the social media platforms listed and all of that, and that's everything that came in the box. So I'm so excited for today's wig, guys. RPG been bringing the heat, right? And they have come such a far way with their natural clean hairlines. Look at how laid this is. Straight out of the packaging, this is how the hairline looks. Okay, it looks so good. It's a clean hairline invisible HD lace wig. Okay, it's a 360 lace front wig. 360, so yes, we have lace going right around, and it's amazing. The 360s are amazing for ponytails and stuff. So that's how the back looks. It's of a 1B color, the hair that is, and it is just a regular 13x4 lace. It's also pre-bleached and obviously you see pre-plucked, so it's pre-bleached and tinted. Inside the cap has 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. It's really nice. You guys know that these lace wigs are just timeless because it doesn't show that harsh line where it cut off at the front. It's really realistic looking, and it's just always a 10 in my book. So they did put a center part here, but you really can go ahead and part it in the side if you wish and stuff, and it's gorgeous. This type of lace does it blend in with almost every skin tone. It's so thin, so if you do wish to go in and pluck this any further, which I do not recommend, this is so deeply pre-plucked already, but if for whatever reason you have to be very, very gentle when caring for the hairline or this lace, because it's very delicate, because it's so thin. You have like 1 or 2 hairs going through each knot, so that makes the appearance flatter. So yeah, so that's how that looks. This is also 18 inches long, and it's 150% in density. It's not heavy at all. It's a gorgeous straight texture. It's very nice and full, so I love that, and it feels good. It's soft, it's silky, it's not like, it's a natural luster, so yeah, let's go ahead and put this on. I proceeded to applying it as usual. Guys, what I must say is that this is a deeply pre-plucked hairline. So as you can see here, like for the middle portion of the lace front, it is a little bit too pre-plucked for my liking. So I did take off the excess, and you see that further down when I'm cutting away the excess lace. So if I feel like how I felt like the mid portion of the lace front was a bit too deep for me, I did cut away some in the front, and it wasn't anything drastic. You wouldn't even realize that it came that deeply pre-plucked, but it looks so good. It's so flat, and straight out of the package you can see where it's like they laid it while making it. Like, it's super laid back. I don't usually get it like this, so I mean that helps, especially if you're a beginner. So I only did 2 layers of glue today. And of course, before you apply your lace, you want to ensure that this dries down tacky, not like dry, but tacky enough so the lace will stick and it's clear. That way things will look flawless. I did cut off the ear portion, the excess that is initially, so everything would measure up accurately and look good. And this is where I actually cut away the excess lace. Yes, I sped it up a little bit. But yeah, you can see the difference, right? With that side and then the next side, how deep the other side is. And look how seamless that is, guys. Super undetectable, super, super flat. And as I said before, this type of lace blends in with almost every and any skin tone. So that's just amazing. I kind of proceeded to melting the lace further. I used my elastic band and my blow dryer on cool air. And then I proceeded to doing some edges. Now, guys, you see how it looked initially without any baby hairs or anything like that? You could definitely go ahead and rock it just like that. I was going to an event and I felt like I really wanted to do these little swoops, and this is my regular vibe. You guys know me, you watch a lot of my videos, like die-hearted supporters. Yeah, you know that I love doing these swoops, so I did that, and it was very sparse swoops. It wasn't heavy looking, you know, it looks just right. I like it. Okay, if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. And I always try my best to repeat this as much as possible. I know I get new viewers and stuff, so it's crucial. So once I'm done with that, I go in with my hot comb to lay the hair down. I did a center part. Now guys, feel free to go ahead and do a half up, half down. You could go ahead and do a ponytail further down. I'll show you guys when I lift up the hair and like show you the back, because after all, this is a 360 wig. I just didn't go ahead, I didn't want to do a ponytail today or anything like that. It's just, I just wanted that nice straight center part look. But it is a 360 wig, so please bear that in mind, that it is versatile enough to do a bun or a regular ponytail. Right here was just flat ironing everything, making it look more sleek. And as I said, further down you see where I showed you guys a whole 360 feature, because that is actually one of the amazing things about this wig. Okay, so yeah.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else like you do. That's why
This is the finished look with the wig. I'm super pleased. It's so lightweight. It feels like, you know, yeah, it's here. It's super lightweight. And you guys know, as I said before, the hairline is just immaculate. It's amazing. I love it. Sorry, I'm running my hands through the hair, but it's so nice. Very soft, silky, minimal flyaways to deal with. So that's a 10 for me. So shout out to RPG Hair once more. Oh, by the way, don't forget, you could also go ahead and do like a bun with this. So like, feel free to go ahead and put it up in a ponytail. Don't have to be a bun, but like for me personally, a lot of time when I get the 360 wigs, I don't even always glue them down. As you guys know, you know, stick it in the back, like, because you know it has a comb, so you just do that, stick it in, and you're like good to go. So be mindful of that. You half up, half down your ponytails, because it's a gorgeous 360 wig. So yeah, it's a gorgeous 360 wig. Definitely, if you need a detailed video on how to glue like the back of your wig, I do have a video on that, so you could go ahead and check it out. So shout out to RPG with the variety in the wigs, not just a clean I love the fact that they combine a clean hairline with a 360, you know, feature to the wig. That's really convenient. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. The link to this the direct link to this wig will be in my description box, as well as a specification. So go ahead, check that out, get it if you're interested. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much, so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, you know, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then,
anywhere I can. I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.